4 seasons, a leaping tiger and one amazing gorge, we're hiking in northern Yunnan right here on Drone and Phone. Well, welcome to another episode of our Yunnan adventure. Today, Andy, we're going down the Tiger Leaping Gorge down there. About 10k, a little bit of a climb at the start, but relatively gentle compared to last week's. How are you feeling?
It's going to be quite interesting today because, as you say, a couple of hundred meters up, I think, but then mainly down. And it's a long way down, looking down there. It's a properly long way, but it's a beautiful gorge. It's massive.
This is probably the most famous of the hikes that we're going to do. Famous in terms of people coming here. Most people will think about Tiger Leaping Gorge, so we're going to compare it to the rest of the hikes that we've done. Let's get going.
Come on in.
Nestled between the Tibetan Plateau and the deep gorges of the Yangtze and Mekong rivers is one of China's most spectacular outdoor adventure destinations, northern Yunnan. Towering snow-capped peaks dominate the skyline, while dramatic gorges offer world-class trekking along cliffs and rushing rivers. We know it's not easy to self-organise your own trips into remote areas of the Chinese mainland, so in this series we guide you through 8 amazing hikes that all start and finish at a comfortable bed for the night. For this series, I'm along with an old friend, Andy Jameson, now a regular fixture on Drone and Phone and always up for an adventure. We start this episode at Tina's guest house at 2,200 metres above sea level and follow the high trail south along the Jingsha Gorge.
They said lovely, easy start to the day. Mostly flat, mainly down. Our hotel is way down there. There's Gina's guest house, Tina's. And yeah, nice gentle start, TJ. Thanks for that, mate. Really appreciate it.
You are welcome, sir.
Yeah.
You are welcome.
Yeah.
Lovely cool day, as I promised.
Yeah. Nice easy start. Flat most of the way.
The full length of the Tiger Leaping Gorge walk is around 22 kilometres, which is normally split into 2 days with a stop halfway. We have chosen an 11 kilometre stretch for our walk. Well, for the start of this one, it's a straight climb up. Now, there are 2 sections to this. You can walk it in 2 days and stay about where we stayed overnight, but the other section is closed at the moment. Not sure why, but this section is open. It is supposed to be the most scenic, the most dramatic, so very much looking forward to it. 10k, starting with what we think is about a 250 metre climb. Whew, hot day. In this series, we started at the Jade Dragon Snow Mountain to the east of us, have walked the same river gorge to the northeast, then crossed over to Haba Snow Mountain to the north of us, and finally come back south to Tiger Leaping Gorge. Although we've made a loop of it, all of these hikes can be done individually and reached from Lijiang.
So this, my friends, is Tiger Leaping Gorge.
We climbed to 2,500 metres, almost 1,000 metres above the Yangtze, or Jingsha as it is called in the upper reaches, which is below us. The trail contours between 2,500 metres and 2,200 metres on the side of mountains that rise almost to 4,000 metres on either side. It is a remarkable gorge. Well, here you get a good lay of the land here. We're going to be going down and along that path. I think we're about the highest spot from what we can see, and from this point it's going to be reasonably flat once we do this slight downhill here, and right down the gorge as we see the famous bends of the river as it goes down there, which we hopefully are going to get occasional glimpses of as we go. The The name Tiger Leaping Gorge comes from a local legend. According to the tale, a tiger was being chased by hunters and found itself cornered at the narrowest point of the gorge. In a desperate bid to escape, the tiger made a mighty leap across the Jingsha River, using a large rock in the middle as a stepping stone. That rock, still visible today, marks the spot where the tiger is said to have jumped the 25-metre gap. So this place has just got lots and lots of stunning places to take photographs like here. Unlike the gorge walk at Baoshan Stone Village, there are many people doing this hike. But with the crowds comes good infrastructure, with places to buy food and drinks all the way along. There are also plenty of viewing platforms with stunning views of the gorge and waterfalls. So this is the halfway house. This is a legendary place that has the toilet that Michael Palin declared the best view of any toilet in the world. We're going to go and have a look.
Michael Palin said this is the best view from a toilet in the world. And I've got to tell you, he may well be right.
Although the trail has some infrastructure, it is still not without its dangers. By chance, I was filming when potentially lethal rocks dislodged from above and just missed one group of hikers coming towards me. Well, we've stopped for lunch and it looks like it's going to rain now, so we're preparing to see another side of the gorge. Still some sunshine down there, and you can see how flat it is. You can see the trail just going off into the distance, which is great for us at the moment because we're feeling it. So nice flat trail. Now bear in mind that most people we have met have been coming in the opposite direction to the way that we have gone. We started at Tina's guest house where we stayed last night, and we're making our way over this section, which is the section that is open. But it seems that most people are going the opposite direction, and you can see why, because you start at a much higher elevation and you're pretty well flat for most of the way, and then you go down. We had that big climb at the start. You won't get that if you start at the opposite side. So there's a little hint for you. We have met some other people also who've gone beyond that, and that does get very hilly if they go beyond the place where we're going to stop, which is open at the moment. You also need to consider sudden changes in weather.
Well, it's been an absolutely stunning day up until now, and suddenly the thunderstorms hits very quickly. Thank goodness for good quality all-weather gear. Put it on very quickly. Covered my backpack with a backpack cover as well. So no problems, we're off, but really important to make sure that you pack high quality kit. Make sure that you stay safe, stay nice and dry.
So it's now gone from rain to hail, which is really hard. I'm glad I got this hat on because it is quite stinging as it hits you, these hailstones that are coming down. So as I said, 4 seasons in one day. We've had sunshine, we've had rain, we've had cloudy weather, and now we've got hail. Tough one. The trail takes you on and off the roads where you have the chance to meet some local residents and see mountain farmers in action. As we reach the Tea Horse guest house, we turn off the high trail and make our way back down to the road towards the river. Well, there you go, 4 seasons in one day, as I said. Absolutely roasting again now. I was freezing cold a minute ago, and now sun's come out and the valley is warming up. At the main road we meet our driver, who has one last treat in store for us. He takes us to a car park where we buy a ticket and walk down with groups of tourists to get close to the raging river and see the rock of the fabled Tiger Leap. Well, we've come down to the very bottom now and we're about to try to get down to the gorge. You can see we've joined the masses of Chinese tourists. Looking forward to this one, Andy?
That's going to be fascinating. There's so many people. It's amazing.
So this is the easy option if you want to come see the gorge. Once down, we snap our obligatory selfies and marvel at the force of the water. I don't know if you can hear me over the noise, but we've come right down to the Yangtze, which we've been walking high above all day. How has the day been for you?
It's been a great day. I really enjoyed it. It started off a little bit slow, but once we got going with those panoramas, some of them were just extraordinary.
Yeah, we've done about 10k and we've seen all 4 seasons, rain, hail, and a lot of sunshine. Now, if you want to find all of our other Yunnan episodes, you're going to find them on our website at droneandphone.com and also on our YouTube channel. For now, my name is DJ.
And I'm an awestruck Andy J.
And this is Drone and Phone.
I love this. This is an oxygen vending machine.